Hello guys, this is Mohit from Halal Adventures. Assalaamu Alaikum. Today I'm very excited to unbox my first ever drone that I purchased from the brand DJI called Mavic Mini. Also stay tuned for drone footage that I made from this drone towards the end of this video. This is a Fly More combo bundle that includes a lot of stuff for $100 extra, making it $499. Few things about this drone. One of the best things is that it's 249 grams, so that means you don't have to register to FAA. It gives you 30 minutes of flying time. It gives you a range of 2.4 miles and is 2.7K in resolution, which is pretty good quality compared to a lot of other drones, but it's not as good as 4K. But stay tuned for the footage. So let's unbox it. This is my favorite part, taking the plastic off. After you open the box, the first thing you will notice is the Mavic Mini carrying case. Is supposed to hold on everything that you want to carry it with you. There's also a flat big box that's supposed to have propeller guards. There's a box with some paperwork, manual, quick start, and some warranty stuff. It also comes with fast charger. You can charge your drone, your remote controller, and your battery pack. They also have 2 extra batteries. This is a box with 3 batteries inside. And that's it. So let's open the first box. This has a pair of propeller guards, and they're supposed to help you if you're planning to fly the drone indoors. The plastic seems really nice. It's very light, and they're supposed to go on your propellers, all 4 propellers, to give you 360-degree protection. So next, this is a small box with some information, some quick start and manual, a little guide how to start your drone, with some warranty stuff, and it comes in few different languages. Moving next is the battery box. In total you have 3 batteries, but they give you 2 extra batteries because of the Flying More combo. They're smart batteries, so it actually tells you in your app how many times you're charging them, and they will give you 30 minutes of flying time, which compares to other drones is excellent. Next will be the charger. They claim that this is a fast charger, so it's supposed to charge everything really fast, and you don't get this in a standard package. You have to get the Fly More combo to get this in their package. It charges everything: your drone, your batteries, and the remote controller. So let's move to the carrying case that has all the other stuff. First thing we have is the battery hub. It's supposed to take all 3 batteries and charge them at the same time. But the good thing about it is it will charge the battery that needs the least amount of juice, so you can start flying your drone as soon as possible. It also becomes a carrying case, and once it's fully charged, you can charge your other devices by connecting a micro USB in it. The box underneath the battery hub, it comes with some USB cables, charging cables, a screwdriver in case you need to remove your broken propellers and replace them with the new one. It also comes with a pair of extra joysticks. In total you have 4 joysticks, but these are just extra pair in case you lose them or anything. Then you have 2 micro USB cables for the fast charge, so you can charge two multiple things at the same time. Then you have cables that connects to your remote controller, and then you can use different kinds of cell phones. USB-C is one cable, micro USB, and Apple cable. So this is the best part. This is the drone. It feels super light. This is my first time actually owning a drone, so I don't know how other drones, how heavy they are, but this does feel very light. It has tapes all around it, so before you open it completely, make sure untie all the tapes. There's some under the propellers, there's some on top, and then there's one behind where the battery goes. And to open it, you first turn the first propellers from back to front. These are in the front. And then the back two propellers, you have to turn upside down, and they go towards the back, and there you go. A very good looking drone, very small, almost the size of charging hub that they have. It looks really nice. So this is the remote controller that comes with the drone. It's very similar to other DJI drone products. This is just a tape with some information. You open these little bridge at the bottom. That's where your phone device will go. And you will see two pockets where they have those two joysticks, and you twist them on very easily. They're not metal. They're very nice quality plastic with some rubber grips. These are antennas. You carefully unfold them, and then that's how they go. This is a gimbal switch to move your camera up and down. The red button is to record your video, and this is taking pictures. Also have a home return button, so you can bring your drone back from where it took off from. Okay, once you fold it back to its original form, it actually becomes pretty small, small enough for you to put it inside your pocket. Underneath the controller, there's a box with some extra pair of propellers and some extra screws. That's it. Let's fold everything back to its original form and see if everything that you need to carry it with you can fit in this box, including some charger cables, a charger, controller, charging hub, and a drone. And it fits really nicely, very impressive. The carrying case feels really nice. Let's go outside and fly it. So this is what the drone looks like when it's hovering. So I'm just going to fly it around my neighborhood and see how it looks. These videos are edited, but there's no color grading to it. So I will definitely recommend you to fly this drone when the sun is almost going down, maybe 40 minutes before the sunset, and around when the sun is rising. This is when you get the best results. And so far, I'm very impressed how stable the camera is, and it's very easy to fly. The colors are vibrant. I like the picture quality. Obviously, it's not as good as some expensive drones, but for a beginner, this is amazing. It comes with 3 different modes that you can fly with. First is the position mode. That's a standard mode. Second is sports mode, that will give you a little bit of aggressive movements. It moves the drone really fast. And then the third is cine smooth mode, which I use, and I recommend that to get the most cinematic shots. You don't have to register it, but the drone law still applies to where you're flying your drone. So please abide by the law. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this benefited you in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. I'm Muid from Halal Adventures. Assalaamu Alaikum.